Hey, why?
Hey, boy!
Long time no see. How have you been?
Oh, very good. What about you?
Not bad.
Oh, I have good news for you. I'm going to come to study here.
That's very wonderful. Students stand up, please. Good morning, teacher.
It's my student. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm very well. Sit down, please.
Thank you, teacher.
Today, we are going to get together. My name is Sudhapa Thongwat. My name is Nam. Let's start with interview from the first.
Good morning, teacher and my friend. May I introduce myself? My name is Thusaport Thongma. Nickname is Boy.
Good morning, teacher and my friend. May I introduce myself? My name is Nathapan Vichai. My nickname is One. Okay.
Good morning, teacher and my friend. May I introduce myself? My name is Deepok Nathaja. My nickname is Pooh.
Okay.
Sam.
Teacher, time's up.
Okay. Today longer no home.
Students stand up, please. Thank you, teacher. See you again next time.
Okay.
Oh, one. I lost my wallet at the house.
Oh, never mind. I lent you some money.
Oh, love you. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Boys, have you ever heard the song Listen?
Whose song is it?
It is Beyonce from the movie Dream Girl.
Yes, I have. It is very beautiful and sing. It's menace.
Oh, I agree. What kind of music do you like?
I like that, and you?
I like jazz and R&B.
What game are you playing? Why? It is an online game.
Yes, it is online game called Paya.
It is a golf game, right?
Yes, do you like to play online game?
I prefer simulation game.
What game do you like?
I like SimCity. It is a city building game.
I used to play it, but the Misty was very bad. I barely till in the end. So I prefer sport game.
Oh,